Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. Do you want to know how to make a girl fall in love and really love you? You are in the right place. But remember, if you use the method that many men often use, you will fail. Most guys, when they like a girl, they will chase, flirt, and sometime later confess their love. For a girl, this is flattering. You may be accepted, but a few days later you will be thrown on the floor. Many were rejected and failed. If you want to make a girl fall in love and really love you, don't do this routine. Do things differently from other men. Remember, everything that we get easily, we will not appreciate it. The happiness we feel will be different. All you need to do is work. Then, you will appreciate everything more and not take it for granted. You have to be patient, play relaxed, but show your prowess. This is 12 secret to making a girl fall in love with you, really love you. You are my best friend. Support this channel to grow and greet you by pressing the like, subscribe, and good comments button. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Be patient and don't rush. So, if you've got your eyes on someone special, resist the urge to go all in too soon. Think of it like a good meal. Savor each moment to appreciate the full flavor. Don't be in a rush to spill your feelings. Let it unfold organically. Let love take its natural course, and put aside the urge to play fast. In time, your patience will bear sweet fruit. 2. Don't confess too soon. Mystery is a good thing. Hold back a bit. Don't spill all your feelings too early. Let the anticipation build. It's like a good movie. You don't reveal the plot twists too soon. Hold on and be patient. Don't be too quick to express your feelings to her. Enjoy the process. 3. Love yourself first. Before you start charming someone else, make sure you're your own biggest fan. Confidence is magnetic. If you can't appreciate your worth, why should anyone else? Take pride in who you are, flaws and all. 4. Always look good. Looks aren't everything, but they do matter. Take care of yourself. Dress well, groom yourself, and smell good. It's not just about making an impression. It's about showing you care about yourself. Present yourself well and optimally according to who you are, because the appearance and clothes you wear will show who you are. 5. Give just the right attention. Balancing attention is key. Sure, you're interested, but drowning her in constant attention is a surefire way to douse the spark. Find that sweet spot, maintain your commitments, and let her know she's a part of your life without being the whole show. 6. Avoid becoming clingy. Space is healthy. Give her room to breathe. Constantly being in her face won't make her appreciate your presence. It might just make her feel suffocated. Let the connection breathe, and it'll grow stronger. Avoid calling her every night or texting her every few hours. Give her space to miss you. 7. Make her miss you. Being available is great, but don't make yourself too available. Everyone values what they have to work for. Let her see that your time is valuable, and she'll appreciate the moments you share even more. For example, when you're having an interesting conversation with her, tell her you have to go and hang up just when the conversation starts to get interesting. 8. Don't show insecurities. We all have insecurities, but broadcasting them won't win her over. Never reveal your jealous streak to the girl you like if you intend to make the girl fall in love with you. Keep your cool, especially in the face of competition. Let her see your strengths rather than your vulnerabilities. 9. Be the dependable guy. Every girl appreciates a guy who's reliable. Be the one she can count on, the guy who's there when she needs support. Your relationship will be stronger because she feels comfortable next to you. It builds trust and sets the stage for something deeper. 10. Give her a thoughtful gift. Gifts don't have to be grand gestures. Something small and thoughtful can leave a lasting impression. A girl will be very happy because she feels special. It's the little things that count and show you've been paying attention. 11. Use the power of touch. Physical touch communicates volumes. A subtle touch here and there can speak louder than words. You can touch her hand, her back, or hug her when you two are about to leave. But of course, read the signals. Make sure she's comfortable with it. 12. Don't be an asshole. Nice guys don't finish last. They finish strong. Treat her with respect, be courteous, and don't play games. It's not about being a pushover. It's about being a decent human being. Can carry yourself well. Be kind and polite, anyone and anywhere, and the world will smile kindly at you. Don't be an asshole. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.